Hello everyone, I'm here in Houston. Today I am going to Philippine Embassy to process my Philippine passport, and I already have my dual citizen. I think it's been like 3 years ago. I don't even remember. I think maybe 3 years, 2 years to 3 years ago. So this is the only time that I can get my Philippine passport. But before I'm going, I have my appointment tomorrow, so I drove here today, so it won't be hard for me to get up early and leave from Louisiana, come into Houston, and it will take me like 3 to 4 hour drive, and I need to wake up early morning. So my husband said, you rather be going today than going tomorrow. So that's why I am here. My husband stayed at home. He is staying there for work, and he doesn't want to take a time off anymore because we're gonna leave again sometime Friday. But I'm in my room right now, and I am going to eat my dinner. Of course, when you go to Houston, what place you have to go? Of course, you are going to Tehran, my Jollibee. Sucks. My diet is gonna be out of whack again. Remember, I told you guys that when my mom got sick, I gained weight. I really gained weight. I feel like chunky like that. So, but it doesn't matter. I don't care. I'm craving for Jollibee, so I'm eating Jollibee. So what I got today is two kinds. I don't eat a lot, but I'm craving for it. I got a palabok with spicy chicken joy and the original one. Oh, yummy. Put that over here. And Galamon Pahaw. I ordered a lot. And I got some burger steak with rice. It's been I think 3 weeks or 4 weeks that I never eat rice. And this is the first time I'm gonna eat rice. Oh my god. Hopefully I'm not gonna be bloated later. Plus, my husband likes red ribbon. So, I got him he always say, butter mamon. So, I got him a cheesy mamon, and I got some cheesy ensaymada too for me. My diet is all wacky now. So now that I already show you what I'm going to eat today, I am gonna start. Let's eat, guys. Which one I'm gonna start? I guess I'm gonna start with my rice. Yummy. Uh-oh, I didn't get water. It's okay, I got my tea. I brought my tea. I'll start with my rice, and then I'm gonna eat some palabok to later. Yummy. First bite. Who wants to have my first bite? Here we go, guys. Oh, I miss rice. Oh my god, it's so good. Well, that's it, guys. What is your dinner tonight? My dinner tonight is burger steak and palabok. Yummy. Oh my god. I know I'm not gonna finish this one. I need to work out. Laki ng subo. Takaw. Oh my god, I'm gonna finish the rice. I think so. I'm not really sure. If I can finish it, I'll bring it home after my appointment in immigration. The immigration, guys, it's really, the Philippine consulate, it's really close to my hotel. It's 7 minutes away, which is really good. I don't need to rush myself to wake up early. So that's it, guys. Yummy. Oh, I lost weight already, but it's okay. I can lose weight fast, so just not to eat rice. Oh my god, it's really good. Can't believe it's a lot of rice. I can eat rice with palabok, I think. The chicken, yeah, I can eat rice with the chicken. I'm really hungry. I didn't eat anything today. The diet I'm doing is not eating carbs, plus I don't eat breakfast and lunch. And that I used to weigh 117, and oh my god, I feel like I was bloated whenever I eat because I ate a lot. I swear, I'm not kidding. I eat more than what my husband ate. So when my mom went to Seattle, I start doing my diet. I don't eat rice. All I eat is vegetable and meat, fish, kind of like that. Fish, seafood, as long as there's no carbs. So that time I used to be 117, and then when I weigh myself last week, because my husband and I went to the gym, I weighed myself and I lost 6 pounds, I think. So now I'm eating rice again, but that's okay. Oh my god. Hey guys, have you tried adobo fried rice? Because they have something on their menu, adobo fried rice, and that's the first time I see that menu there. Tell me if you tried it and tell me if it's good, because I want to try it next time. Oh my god, I don't know how many carbs right now I'm eating. That's why I'm doing my diet, guys, because I'm gonna attend a wedding, 2 weddings. My husband's niece wedding, which is going to be in Pennsylvania, and my sister wedding, which is gonna be in Oregon. And I don't want to buy a new dress. I want to use my old dress, you know, whatever I have in my closet. I don't want to spend that money to buy a new dress. So that's why I'm trying to reduce some fatty stuff in here, which is working though. And I can save some money because I don't eat a lot. The last time I ate Jollibee, it was like more than a year and a half, maybe a year and 7 months, almost 2 years. Oh my god, That's why whenever I come to Houston, I always go to Jollibee. I like their palabok. Every time I go there, that's what I always order. Palabok is my thing. But this time I got palabok and burger steak. Oh guys, it's almost gone. Jeez, I'm really hungry. I'm starving. Oh my god. Ooh, I finished the rice. It's so full. It's okay, I'm gonna drink tea. No more burger steak. Steak burger, sorry. Sorry if you can see my mouth so full. I'm just hungry. I want to eat. And this is my first rice for, no, I think it's 3 weeks. 3 weeks not eating rice. Here you go. A lot of carbs. Now I can go to my chicken. I want to try the spicy. Let me see how spicy it is. Oh, I'm full. Couldn't open it. How come? How come? I need. There you go. Ooh, let's see how spicy this one here. Hey Bab, I know. I called my daughter Bab. She's still my baby. My daughter loves the skin. Chicken Joy skin. So hi Bab, if you're watching, if you're gonna watch this YouTube this video, I'm eating skin. Oh, the spicy is spicy. Oh, yep, it is spicy. Good thing I got two. One regular and one spicy. Woo! It's burning my mouth. Woo! Wow. Guys, it's so spicy. For me, I don't eat that spicy much, but it is spicy. My nose is dripping. Oh my god, I can't breathe. I'm so full. Almost done, guys. It's just too spicy. Whew. It's good though. It wants you to make it more. I'm done. I'm done. I already finished the rice. Oh my. There you go. I need to walk for a little bit. So the food is gonna be grinding. There's a little bit of chicken left. I'm gonna put that in there. I'll eat that tomorrow when I get home because I don't eat breakfast and lunch. Here you go, guys. It's all empty. I ate a lot. Well, oops, sorry. Oops, sorry. Guys, this is my mini mukbang. So if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and comment down below. And of course, if you want to share it, you can share it. It would be nice if you can share it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.